stop to think that the events in your life are happening for you rather than to you. It's an amazing revelation when you see things through this perspective. Growing up, and even into my adult life, I was convinced that I was never good enough. I let fear rule me, and I created a story that the challenges that I faced were just how it was meant to be for me in my life. And boy, was I wrong. When you embrace your fear is when life actually begins. And the challenges that are there for you to leverage them, to become the person you're meant to be. Truth emerges when you live in this mindset. I challenge you to take a look at your life experiences and how they've been shaping you, and to ask yourself, how are you living? Are you a victim, as I used to be, or are you your own hero? And life is meant to be lived in an empowered way. When you live an empowered life, you change your life. You invite more opportunities for deepened experiences to come into your life. Yes, Bella. And when you're living this way, you are living in your authentic self, in your truth. And I wish that for you. I hope that for you.